Hey guys, Ace here with another video. Today, we're here playing Dark Echo. Now, it says headphones recommended, but then, shut up. But then you guys won't be able to hear it, so this should be interesting. That's probably my other game that I'm going to do later. Nope, it's Twitch. Let me just take that out. I have no idea. Press and hold anywhere to move in that direction. Okay. It's literally anywhere. Find the exit. I doubt I can do anything. Okay, never mind. Have no idea what the hell I just did. Escape. Yes, I'm trying to tap. Oh shit, 3 pathways. Tap the center to make a noise. Press and hold longer to make louder noises. Let's locate the exit. Fuck. That was a loud one. Let's walk this way. So this is one of... Oh! What the fuck? Two, three. I have no idea what that was, but I'm not going that way. Oh, that actually echoed back to me. Here we go. Woo! Echolocation! I'm gonna do like 8 minutes of this. What? Death! Okay. I don't like these red. I don't like that red. I'm guessing that was death. That was the death they were talking about, I suppose. Oh god. I don't want to die. Just follow the echoes. That's all you got to do, and then you'll be fine. Okay, creepy voice. Okay. See, told you you'd be fine. Oh, maybe I should listen to you more often. That wasn't so bad. Fear. Fear. I was doing that before. Run? How do I run? Run. I don't know how to run. Get away from me. Get away from me. No! Get away! Go away! Oh, dear Lord. Wrong way. Get away from me! Ha! I beat you! Ha! 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 Fucking away from here. Hunted. I don't like the sound of this one either. I don't. That was definitely a bad sign. Jump in! No! I died because the camera would cooperate. Gotta keep fixing my camera for freaking. Alright, start right back here again. No! Shut up. 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 Oh my god, that's what I'm hunted from. I don't know why this wasn't listed as a horror game. It's pretty horrible to me. Dear God! Calm. Is it really? Is it really? What's that yellow? That didn't seem very calm. The hell am I stepping in? Shit. I think I want to go this way. Wait, do I? Yeah, I do. I mean, this is definitely calmer than what I was dealing with. You're fucking kidding. I gotta go back now. What the hell? Travel sound waves. Find that mysterious door. The sound waves are my friends. And I fight for my friends. Oh, there it is. Woo! I'm a genius. Stranger. Like this game hasn't already gotten strange? Now we gotta put an actual stranger into this, huh? Oh boy. Not liking the look of this. I'm not liking the look of this. There's something about this game. That would be my death. And that's a stupid thing. This is a free-to-play game, so... Hey! Okay, avoid the scary death pool. What is that? What is that? What is that? Besides my probable doom, what is that? Why is everything so deadly? Wait a minute, those aren't my footsteps. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. Fuck you. No way am I staying around. No way. Deception. Okay. Whatever you say, buddy. I'm gonna make this my last level to do because, like I said, I still have that one thing to do. Oh, hoo, hoo, you sneaky little devil. You sneaky, sneaky little devil. Deception, eh? Now I see what the deception is. It's those death morons. God, Jesus. Why? Why all of this deception? I'm going to make this my last level just so I can fit the time in for the other game that I'm planning. Why is always with these guys? What is with these guys? Seriously. Oh my god. I'm tired of the deception shit. There we go. The labyrinth. Of course you guys are going to do that on your own, possibly. I don't know. I don't know what you guys are going to plan to do with your lives. So, that's going to be all for this video. If you have enjoyed, please hit that like button. Subscribe for more of my awesome content. This is a free game on Amazon. I don't know how it is anywhere else. I just don't know what any other site may or may not offer. Again, I don't know. Anyway, be sure to click the links in the description below. And as always, stay on the airlines. Junior.